Welcome to a transformative journey toward vibrant health and compassionate living. In our latest video, we're excited to delve deep into the heart of plant-powered nutrition with how to plan a nutrient-rich vegan diet. Join us for a thorough exploration of crafting a well-rounded vegan diet that not only meets your nutritional needs but also nourishes your body and soul. Understanding the basics of a vegan diet. Embarking on a vegan lifestyle is a holistic decision that encompasses more than just dietary choices. To set the stage, we start by breaking down the fundamental building blocks of a nutrient-rich vegan diet. From whole grains and legumes to a vibrant array of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, this video invites you to discover the incredible variety that awaits you in the world of plant-based eating. Uncover the secrets to creating a palette of flavors that transforms every meal into an exciting culinary adventure. Essential nutrients in a vegan diet. As individuals transition to a vegan lifestyle, ensuring they receive all essential nutrients becomes a primary concern. Our video goes beyond the basics, providing an in-depth exploration of the key components of a plant-based diet. Learn practical tips on sourcing protein, iron, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin B12 from plant-based sources. This comprehensive approach aims to demystify the nutrient puzzle, empowering you to create a well-rounded meal plan that not only aligns with your ethical choices but also caters to your unique nutritional requirements. Balancing macronutrients. Macronutrients play a pivotal role in any diet, and veganism is no exception. Our video takes you on a guided journey through the process of balancing carbohydrates, proteins, and fats to maintain energy levels, support muscle function, and promote overall well-being. Discover delicious and innovative ways to incorporate plant-based protein sources into your meals without compromising on taste. Explore the art of combining nutrient-dense foods to create not just satisfying but also deeply nourishing dishes, enhancing both your health and culinary experience. Meal planning and prepping. Effective meal planning is the cornerstone of a successful vegan journey. Delve into our video to find invaluable insights into the world of meal planning and prepping, ensuring that your plant-based lifestyle is not only nutritious but also convenient. From quick and easy recipes to batch cooking tips, we provide you with a toolkit to streamline your vegan meal preparation, making plant-based living both practical and delightful. Navigating vegan supplements. While a well-planned vegan diet can provide a wealth of nutrients, we acknowledge that some may require supplementation. How to plan a nutrient-rich vegan diet addresses common concerns about vitamin B12, vitamin D, and omega-3 supplementation, offering detailed guidance on making informed choices to support your long-term health on a vegan diet. Embracing a sustainable lifestyle. Our exploration goes beyond the nutritional realm to touch upon the broader aspects of sustainable living. Learn about eco-friendly practices, ethical sourcing, and the positive impact of adopting a plant-based lifestyle on the environment. Discover how your choices extend beyond personal well-being to contribute to a healthier planet. In conclusion, our video is your comprehensive guide to not just surviving but thriving on a nutrient-rich vegan diet. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the world of veganism, this video provides the tools and knowledge you need to create a delicious, varied, and nutritionally sound plant-powered lifestyle. Subscribe now for a deeper dive into the art of plant-based living and discover how to make your vegan journey not only fulfilling but also a celebration of health, sustainability, and compassion.